Today we will be showing you how to replace an IBM 3572 tape cartridge magazine. This replacement will not require downtime. There are a few reasons that you may decide you need a replacement 3572 magazine. You may have an issue where the picker assembly isn't pulling or putting tapes from the magazine correctly, or the magazine may not be unlocking properly using the front panel command. If any of these issues is occurring, you will need to replace the magazine. To begin the replacement, please use the front panel commands to perform an eject command of the magazine. If the command is successful, the magazine will unlock and you will be able to pull it all the way out. If the command is unsuccessful, you will need to manually unlock the magazine. This process is done by using a small paper clip that is straightened out. You will see a small hole to the left of the operator panel. If you slide the paper clip into that hole, you will feel it meet some resistance as it pushes against the magazine lock. If you push the paper clip in as far as it will go, it will trip the magazine lock, and while you're still holding the paper clip in, you can pull the magazine straight back and out of the library. Now that you have your magazine out of the library, please remove all tapes from the magazine. This will include both the inner and outer rows of tapes, the latter of which will slide forward once the inner tape in each column has been removed. Please ensure that the magazine is completely empty before setting it to the side. You are now ready to load your tapes into the replacement magazine. Please insert all tapes into the magazine slots before inserting the replacement magazine into the library. Then the library will inventory the magazine. Once all tapes are inserted and the library goes back to a ready status, the replacement is complete. You should now run an inventory of your tape library to ensure that the backup software has the current location of all tapes in the replacement magazine. Any questions about backup software should be directed to your software support or manufacturer. If you have any issues with the magazine replacement, please open a ticket through the Rocket Plus customer portal. Thanks for watching. This has been another video by the Top 10 USA Video Production Team. We look forward to sharing more content with you going forward, so please check out our YouTube channel and please subscribe so that you get notified whenever we release a new piece of content.